Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I have a quick video to do. Got some siphon pumps and stuff like that from Harbor Freight. We're just going to take them out the box. I'm going to talk about them for a few minutes and we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I grabbed some stuff from Harbor Freight. Grabbed 2 of these Pittsburgh multi-use transfer pumps. Grabbed 2 of these. I actually have a yellow one of these that I got from Walmart a long time ago. It finally gave up the ghost after probably 15 years or so. And figured I'd grab a couple of these just to replace it. You know, these were like $7 a piece, $6 a piece, something like that. I grabbed a fluid siphon pump with a squeeze style bulb. I grabbed also a gear oil and fluid pump that you put in a bottle, like an oil bottle or a differential fluid bottle. I have several of those already, but you know they always come in handy. So let me kind of lay some of this stuff up here so you guys can see it. There you go. I also grabbed this guy, which is the battery operated liquid transfer pump. I figured I'd give it a try. It was $10. You know, $10, not bad. And I also picked up 4 packs of these C-clamp jaw pads. 3 and 4. Now, I grabbed these because I have a lot of C-clamps. I figured they'd come in handy. I wanted to grab these before. These are all item 91952. So I grabbed 4. There's 1, 2, 3 different sizes in here. There's 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. So I technically have 4 3-inch, 4 4-inch, and 4 6-inch. Which should be plenty if I need to pick up any more. I have a lot of C-clamps. I got probably 40 or 50 C-clamps. So, and we'll cut these open real quick. This is not going to be a hugely long video. Part number on this guy, which is the gear oil and fluid pump, is 63588. These are packaged in pretty soft plastic. You know, you could probably rip this plastic open with your hands. There we go. Take this out for the burn pit, and it says fits most quart, half-gallon, and gallon lube containers. Pumps 1 fluid ounce per press. Which 1 fluid ounce, you know, it's not a lot. Constructed durable ABS plastic, includes 27-inch clear PVC hose. Not for use with brake fluid. Which brake fluid bottles are not very big to begin with, so I'm not really sure why you'd use it for brake fluid. But it's got 2 tubes, 2 different length tubes. You just stick the tubes in here. That one's pretty simple. These multi-use transfer pumps, ideal for changing oil, siphoning gas, and more. Use as an air pump with the included inflation nozzle, which, oh, I didn't know. Oh, that's cool. The one I got from Walmart a long time ago didn't it didn't do that. It didn't have the availability of inflating tires and stuff. This is part number, or item number 63591. It is Pittsburgh Automotive. It says lube on it. I've been at Harbor Freight a couple times in the last 2 weeks or so, and I'm not really sure. I've been told that Pittsburgh Pro is bye-bye. It's a goner. It doesn't exist anymore at Harbor Freight. To be honest with you, I call bullcrap on that, because the store I was at yesterday and the day before that, same store, that store had no Pittsburgh automotive, or not automotive, but no Pittsburgh professional tools. And then today when I get there, it's got fully stocked. Every single item in the store was fully stocked, and they had Pittsburgh automotive tools. So I don't think they're going bye-bye or anything like that. I do think that they're sticking around. Maybe the person that mentioned it is either misinformed or misunderstands. I don't know, but I'm gonna get both of these out of the package. I could be wrong. Maybe they just keep stocking my stores with stuff, and they are actually getting rid of them. I don't know. They could be right. I could be wrong. My guess is it's not going anywhere. You know, the Pittsburgh Pro sockets are a very popular item, especially the impact sockets. So it's hard for me to believe that it's gonna go and disappear. That's just my opinion, though, guys. Grab this one and get this one out. This one is item number 63589. It's a fluid siphon pump with the squeeze pump. Most of these are just hand operation pumps. They all come in handy for me. I use them a lot. I've never tried the cheap ones from Harbor Freight, any of these, so these are all a first for me. Not all pumps are created equal. That is definitely a thing that I've learned. Not everything is created equally. Just a simple squeeze pump. Just kind of set these guys back. This guy is 64124. I'm just gonna pop it open. This is the one that takes batteries. That's what it looks like. Not much more in the box other than the instruction book. Looks like a nice little hand pump. I'm not going to take these out of the case right now. I'm just going to just figured I'd show you guys real quick what I picked up. So I did pick up quite a bit. Everything here was 40 bucks. Wasn't a lot. I like pumps. Transfer pumps are helpful. You know, if you could put a little motor on them, you know, they're even more helpful. You can always go get a little small pump, a little inline pump, and you can attach it to these hoses if you want, as long as these hoses are capable of suction and vacuum under a higher load other than hand operation. But, you know, for what I picked up, it's not bad. This will come in handy if I need to transfer gas from one tank to another. I leave gas cans in my 4Runner just for emergencies, as well as I also provide a service with those gas cans. If somebody runs out of gas and I get the call through the insurance, I will go deliver gas to whoever needs gas. And sometimes I'm not in the service vehicle, sometimes I'm just driving my 4Runner for that day. I'm not busy, and just happens to be that's what I have on me. Kind of can't just stop and pick up another vehicle if you're 30-40 miles from home or more. But this will come in handy if I need to transfer gas from a smaller can to a larger can. I have a gas can that has a really crappy nozzle design. It's one of the newer ones, and the rest of my cans have the old style that they just feed. You just tilt it and it pours, and I always have to transfer gas from one gas can to the other because of that gas can. But these things will come in handy. I actually need one of these hand pumps right here right now, and I'll use it after, but that was why I picked them up. I needed one immediately, and the other things were just bonuses picked up that would be useful. I do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys for sticking around. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have used any of these things, what do you think of them? I'll give you my opinion down the road, what I think of all of these things, whether it was just better to get the one that was $15 at Walmart or go to the auto parts store or whatever. If they hold up well, I'll give you guys a review down the line. If you've ever used this battery operated one, let me know what you guys think of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And if you can, down below there is also a ULSA Tools link. If you guys need any toolbox organization or some hand tools, you click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Also kicks me back 10% off my next order at ulsatools.com, which helps out the channel, helps me save some money and show you guys more items. If you guys need anything, please let me know. If you have any questions, jot them down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you guys for, thank you to all the subscribers. Apologize. Elevator didn't go up. So thank you to all the subscribers for pushing me over that 1K mark. I appreciate it. As always, you guys stay safe. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!